Hi students, how are you? Hope you're fine. We're back in Penabur Online Learning. Our topic today is Human Reproductive System, subtopic Menstrual Cycle. This diagram explains about menstrual cycle. It consists of ovarian cycle, body temperature, hormones produced by anterior pituitary, which are luteinizing hormone or LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone or FSH. Hormones produced by ovary, which are estrogen or estradiol, and progesterone. And the uterine or endometrial cycle. The menstrual cycle is divided into two phases. First, follicular phase, and second, the luteal phase. The length of menstrual cycle is the number of days between the first day of menstrual bleeding of one cycle to the onset of menses of the next cycle. The average duration of a menstrual cycle is 28 days, with most cycle lengths between 25 to 80 days. The phases in the ovarian cycle consist of the growth of follicle, ovulation, corpus luteum, and corpus albicans. The body temperature naturally changes a tiny bit throughout menstrual cycle. It's lower in the first part of the cycle and then rises when ovulation. After ovulation, body temperature goes up to 36 to 37 degrees Celsius. Follicle is the house of an immature egg. Usually, in one cycle, only one follicle will mature into an egg. In this picture, you can see the follicle grows bigger. Ovulation is the release of a mature egg from the surface of the ovary. This usually occurs mid-cycle, around day 14th or so before menstruation starts. The developing of follicle causes a rising in the level of estrogen. The hypothalamus in the brain recognizes this rising level and releases a chemical called gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH. This hormone prompts the pituitary gland to produce raised level of LH and FSH. During ovulation, the egg released from its follicle, but the ruptured follicle stays on the surface of the ovary. Next, the follicle transforms into a structure known as corpus luteum and corpus albicans before it destroys. Corpus luteum starts releasing progesterone, along with small amount of estrogen. This combination of hormones maintains the thickened lining of the uterus, waiting for a fertilized egg to stick or implant. If a fertilized egg implants in the endometrium, it produces the hormones that are necessary to maintain the corpus luteum. This includes human chorionic gonadotropin, or HCG, the hormones that is detected in a urine test for pregnancy. The corpus luteum keeps producing the raised level of progesterone that are needed to maintain the thickening of endometrium. If fertilization doesn't occur, the egg will die. The corpus luteum becomes corpus albicans, withers, and dies. The drop in the progesterone levels cause the endometrium to fall away. This is known as menstruation. Menstruation is the elimination of the thickened endometrium from the body through the vagina. Menstrual fluid contains blood, cells from the lining of the uterus or endometrial cells, and mucus. The average length of a period is between 3 days and 1 week. The cycle then repeats. That's all about menstrual cycle. Hope you understand. Thank you and God bless you.